Hello there, guys. Welcome back to another short online tutorial with myself, Jack, based in Photoshop. I am one of the tutors at Blue Sky Graphics, and it is my absolute pleasure to welcome you here today. So, guys, the reason we are here is to discuss the object selection tool. This is the object selection tool here, okay? Now, what this does, it helps us to select objects within an image, okay? This tool is all about working smart rather than hard, okay? Now, what I would like to do with this particular image we have in front of us is to be able to select the dogs, okay? Now, there are different couple of little ways that you can use the tool. First of all, you have your mode up here. So if I just simply create a very loose selection, like so, using my mouse, and if I was to release, as you can see, it selects it very, very easy for me there. Now, what I would like to do is deselect, okay? So the shortcut to deselect is Command D on Mac and Control D on Windows. So if I press that now, I'm now able to deselect. You can change the mode if you like to, if you want to do rectangle. So it's just exactly the same premise, but you'll be using a rectangle rather than a lasso tool, okay? And I'm going to deselect. You also have select subject up here, which does quite a good job straight away. All right. So as you can see, I'm not doing much, but getting a very good result from a selection side of things. But in the new update of the 2022 version of Photoshop, as you can see, when I'm hovering over the figures here, it's giving me the option of saying, Photoshop is saying that is a figure I can select for you. So with the tool, what I'm going to simply do is hover over it, click with my mouse, and now that is selected. Now you'll notice I need to continue selecting this log here, okay? So what I would need to do is add to this current selection. What I'm going to make sure is my add to selection option is selected here. I'm probably going to change this to lasso. And let's do it like that. Easy. Okay, so use the tool in its different formats of how to use it to get the best results. And what I may simply do now is click here, and now I have my other dog selected. Okay, this tool is there to make your life easy. Okay, so use it, and hopefully your designing life becomes even easier for you to create amazing pieces. Guys, thank you very much. If you're interested in finding out more about Blue Sky Graphics, the courses that we offer, our tutors, please don't hesitate to visit our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Also, have a look at our website, our Instagram for amazing work from our students at Blue Sky Graphics UK. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.